In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images, files, or PDFs in Salesforce. Whether you're a novice or have some experience with Salesforce, uploading files efficiently will streamline data management and improve collaboration within your team. Let's dive into our first method of uploading files via the record page. Begin by accessing your Salesforce account and head over to the app launcher. Once there, navigate to the specific record where you'd like to store your file, for example, an account, contact, or any other object that you are working with. Upon opening the record, you'll need to scroll down until you see the Files Related list. This section is specifically designed to house all the files related to this record for easy future references. Here you'll see an option labeled Upload Files. Go ahead and click on that. A file picker will then pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer to select the image, document, or PDF that you want to upload. It's crucial to choose the exact file that will be beneficial for your needs or the business purpose you're currently attending to in Salesforce. Once you've selected your file, click on Done. Your file is now uploaded and accessible through the Files Related list, making it easily retrievable for anyone who views this record. Let's explore the second method, which focuses on uploading files from the Files Home section, offering a more centralized approach. Start once again by clicking on the app launcher. In the search bar, type in Files to quickly locate and open the Files homepage. Just like the process we followed in the record page method, click on Upload Files. This step is intuitive and straightforward, ensuring you can easily contribute to the Salesforce ecosystem without hassle. When the prompt appears, choose the desired file from your computer. This could be any relevant image, document, or an essential PDF. Selecting your file initiates another pivotal step in your workflow. Click Open to start the upload process. Be patient and ensure you remain connected to the internet, as the upload process might take a moment depending on the file size and your internet speed. Finally, confirm the upload by clicking Done. Your file is now successfully housed in the Files Home, caterpillar to your likely diverse range of professional needs. This area acts as a repository, so your team has quick and seamless access to any necessary documents, which in turn fosters productivity and eases the process for future projects. By following either of these straightforward methods, you can seamlessly upload files into Salesforce. Remember that each method has its advantages. Uploading via record pages helps keep files directly tied to specific data, whilst using the Files Home provides a centralized place for all your documents. Thanks for joining me today. Make file management smoother and more efficient in your Salesforce journey.